Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to get a Cash App receipt link for your transactions. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application. If you have not already, we're going to go and be needing to use this. If you do not already have it, what you can do is go to the App Store. Go to the App Store, open up the search bar and search for Cash App. So by searching for Cash App, go and find the application, install it successfully, and once you have it installed, now we can go ahead and open it up and we can get started. So we're going to go ahead and be greeted by this main page right here. This is going to be our home page where we can take a look at our cash balance. We have our savings options and all of the other settings that we have for transactions. And now we can get started with getting our receipt link. So basically, guys, we are going to go and be able to find our receipts right here in the bottom right corner. So you can see at the bottom of the page, we can find all the transaction tabs that we have. Currently, we are in the home tab. Here we have the card icon, the payments tab, and so on. And the bottom right corner is the clock icon. This clock icon is our payment history. So you want to open up that clock icon, tap on it, and it's going to open up a new page where you can take a look at all the payments that you have made in your Cash App. You can find a complete history of your transactions and payments. And if you want to find a receipt for one of the payments, guys, go ahead and find the payment that you made and open it up by tapping on it, open up the transaction, and from there you can find all your info and you can get your receipts that you can then print out, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.